Tech Insights has the newest member of the Samsung Galaxy S25 smartphone family, and we have started our deep dive into the latest addition to the Galaxy S line. Samsung announced the Galaxy S25 Edge at the Samsung launch event earlier this year, but the newest addition to the S25 product family did not appear in the market until this month. The new Galaxy S25 Edge is designed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor like the other S25 smartphones. The Galaxy S25 Edge is distinguished from all of the other S25 family by being the lightest and most slender model. Samsung packed a lot of features into the slim smartphone, from the dual rear camera, Wi-Fi 7, a fingerprint sensor, wireless charging, NFC, ultra-wideband support, and a stereo speaker design. We are keen to open up the new S25 Edge to understand not only how Samsung managed to fit all of the electronics into the thin body, but also to understand how Samsung addresses heat dissipation, which is the ever-present challenge for all electronic devices.